What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle. I am back with another trading video here. Today I wanted to talk about how to profit on the stock market in a crash condition. I've seen a lot of people that get, what's the word I'm looking for here? They get very upset, emotional when the stock market is going down because I would assume that they are losing money. However, true professional traders do not care whether the stock market is going up, down, or sideways. There's always ways to make money on the stock market no matter what the price action is doing. That is an end of the day fact. Regardless of the scenario, you're going to be able to make money on the stock market. Now, anyone that tells you otherwise is likely an amateur trader. So take a look at what I'm going to show you in this video. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment below. If you like what you see, please thumbs up the video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Now, I'd like to zoom in. We're looking at SPY, ticker SPY here. This does track the S&P 500. We zoom in here, see these big down days that we have recently experienced. This was on February 5th, 2018. I am going to go back into this day via on demand through Thinkorswim platform and kind of show you guys a scenario on how you could profit in this kind of condition utilizing put options contracts. Very simple strategy. Should be used if you're an investor to hedge your positions, or if you're a trader, you should already be aware of this. This may be a good review for you. People that, like I said, people that lose their ass when the market dips, they're not savvy traders. They're more so investors without hedges, or they're blind to both sides of the market. The fact of the matter is that the stock market goes up and down. When it goes up and when it goes down, you can't really be sure as a retail investor. All you can do is see the signs and ride the wave. In uncertain conditions like we have been experiencing lately, it is very important to stay nimble and take gains as they come. Now we can see February 4th what the market was looking, or excuse me, that was actually February 2nd. February 5th was the Monday, and we're going to come down to the 5-minute chart here. It does take a little while to load. The market has already opened up in this on-demand scenario. I'm just going to kind of watch it here. We see that in pre-market Monday morning, there wasn't a lot of strength in the pre-market moves. It kind of tried to bounce off of Friday's lows, but it was unsuccessful. Based on this candle here, this first 5-minute candle, I actually want to see the 2-minute candle here. Yeah, I can see it's going down pretty sharply. And when we look at the 1-hour chart, we can see that there's not a whole lot of support nearby. I'd say the nearest support here is at about this level that it's coming down to right now. So if it loses this 273 level, I'm going to be looking to enter puts, and I'll show you guys how to do that here. Come back down to the 2-minute, and it retraced off of 273 pretty nicely. It's an indication that buyers are stepping in at this price level. So I do want to have my options chain ready, and again, we are looking at SPY. Look at a Wednesday expiration here. So this first 2-minute candle, and still I just want to watch this candle. Again, our entry point was below 273 here, so we're just going to watch that. Okay, so we are getting closer to my entry point on the puts. We just see since opening, SPY is about flat here. And looks like our 273 has been breached. I'm gonna be watching this next level right here, how it's going to treat it. And we're getting closer to our 273. It looks like it breached it again. That's my classic H pattern recognition right there, which I talked about in another video. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase some 273 puts. See if we can get filled in on demand. It looks like we bought them at 191 there. Now I think this is going to go lower since we breached my level. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward a couple of hours here and see what happens. Wow. So this was my level. Simple support level that was breached. Very easy tactic, and you can see how much lower we are. So we're looking at an insane profit already, about $1,700 here. So what I bought for 191, I believe it was, is now worth 536, and the market closes in 1 hour. SPY is down from opening about 2.5%, as you can see up here. That is a massive gain. In reality, I would likely have closed this out way earlier, but this just goes to show you guys that even in a down day, you have to stay nimble and set alerts. Whether or not you can watch the market at all times, you can always set alerts at certain price levels and things like that. You can set stop losses on your positions, so you have to keep these things in mind at all times if you want to be successful in the marketplace. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this material or strategies that were used, leave them down in the comment section below, or you can email me, kyle@opinicusholdings.com. I'll put that down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, it is going to continue to go down, but I just wanted to make the point clear that it's continuing to go down substantially. You see our puts are really going up in value here, but you get the idea. There's always money to be made in the marketplace. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.